What factors determine the viability of a personal injury claim? Attorney Edward Flores explains. There are 3 prongs to any viable personal injury claim: liability, damages, and money. Liability means that there has to be someone who was responsible for the incident and a way to show that they were responsible for the incident. However, encountering difficulty in showing liability is not a reason to give up pursuing a claim. The second prong is damages, which means that there must be injuries, property damages, or both associated with the incident. Generally, the greater the injuries and losses, the greater the damages recoverable. The third prong is money, which means that there has to be a source of money from which to compensate the plaintiff. There can be a completely uncontested liability and significant damages, but if the at-fault party has no money, it will be a problem. For example, the at-fault party could be an 18-year-old kid with no money and a California state minimum insurance policy, or no policy at all. A California state minimum insurance policy provides $15,000 per person and $30,000 per incident, as required by California law, but it is viable for up to only $15,000 if there is only one person injured. In order to protect oneself against uninsured drivers and underinsured drivers, car owners and drivers should insure themselves to the maximum amount they can reasonably afford, rather than rely on someone else having adequate insurance. When you need a personal injury or criminal defense attorney in Orange County, California, and surrounding counties, contact the law office of Edward R. Flores and let him get to work immediately to protect you and your interests.